Hey guys, it's D-Tunes Outdoors. I'm gonna start my first video out here in Red Bank Creek. It's pretty out. It just rained probably for a little bit, and the water's pretty high. It looks really beautiful. I brought my little good luck charm with me, of course. Say hi, DJ. I got him a snack, and he got his net ready, just in case we catch one. But yeah, I got this little one hook rooster tail. I know it's an open face rod, but I got a closed face on it. It's a little Zebco. I think it's gonna work out great. But I'm just gonna put y'all down, see if I can't catch any brim. That's what we're after. On the way to the next spot, this beautiful creek. It's honestly just a beautiful area. Don't even have to really fish. I'm honestly doing this just to hang out with my son. He enjoys time outside. It's the winter time, but it's 60 degrees out here, so we're gonna spend the most of it. We're almost to the next fishing spot. Yeah, you think we're gonna catch something, DJ? Hey, don't dump out your snacks. A fork in the river. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and see what I can do. Let's go ahead and see what we can catch. All I got is one lure, so I mess up, it's trips over. The current's a lot stronger. We came out here the other day just to see what it was about. And the current's super strong right now. All that rain. It seems like it's just a rock bed creek, which is really interesting. Not a lot of dirt. Yeah, rock. But I don't really creek fish all that much. I like to pond fish and go to the river and catfish. Working. Let's go. Like they say, even if you don't catch any fish, it's a better day than going to work. Ain't that right, son? There's fish in here, but it is the winter time and it's cold, so I might not catch anything with the rain. I thought I had one for a second, though. Okay, I don't want to get it in the tree right there. Perfect. I don't know. Let me check it. Okay. That was fun. Yeah. I don't do a lot of fishing anymore. Just got out of a full-time job. Say hi. Nah. 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 Alright, let's go. There's even a little trail so you can fish and do whatever you want. Have a good time. Come on, Bubba. Yeah. Come on, hold Daddy's hand. No. So sweet. Let's stop right here. Let's try this one time. Oh, snap. I thought Brim was out here anytime they want. Okay. Thank you. Look at that spot right there. Sure. I can't believe I ain't getting nothing. It's cool. Oh. I got one. I got a nice one too. DJ, look, I got one. Oh. That was totally worth it, man. Look at that. We got us a red breast. DJ, you like that? See the red breast? Cool, right? Here, I gotta put the camera down, okay? So I can release it. There we go. Put the camera right there. Look, hold the fish right here. It'll stab you, okay? So you have to be careful. Quit, DJ. You don't pick the fish, Bubba. You should be blessed and happy that you get the fish. Touch it. Don't mess it up. And don't be mean to it. It's a pretty fish. It's a beautiful fish. Beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's a sunbreast, right? Y'all could correct me if I'm wrong. It's pretty though. Nice little fight on the Zebco. Bye. Bye, buddy. He's gone, DJ. Alright, well, that's what we're here for. See if we can't get another one. Doing the same thing. I was just fishing it deep right there. That's the downside of having a closed face on an open face. Right. Okay. There we go. See if we can't catch us another one here, G. I'm gonna have to use the net. Let's see if I can't fall down there too. What a nice spot, huh? Oh, that was a terrible catch. was a pretty nice bed yesterday. Oh, eat for sure. Goodness, boy. You'd think something would be like right here. Maybe there is, but I sure ain't catching it. Let's move down just a little farther, Bubba. Come on. A little bit of trash, but to be expected right here by a highway. Now that's super pretty. But you know I gotta try over here. Just trying to work it. That's all. Work. Something wants it. It'll hit it. Stuck like Chuck. I have stuck. I was stuck like Chuck. It's so deep right here. Oh, I'm not pitching anything. Right. Careful, Bubba. That hole mess you up. EJ, come on, man. You don't know what's down there. This boy's halfway stuck in a hole. Look at this shit. What are you doing? You in the little foxhole. What in the world? He's getting dirty. I wonder what was in there. Good thing it's not in there anymore. Let's go to the beach. How about that? There's a beach right there. We're going. Reel up my pole. Come on, bub. Let's go to the beach. I don't know if we should go to that beach. It might be like super, like quicksand. You falling behind? Oh, snap. What's Daddy doing? Oh, dang, boy. Here, come on. Let's go. That's what it's all about. There he is. Yeah. Let's go this way. See if we can't find this. Some more. Yeah. Little sun here. Ooh. Goodness gracious. I don't know, Bubba. We got deer tracks. I think if I get in there, I think I'm gonna get stuck, man. Wait. We made it. Now look how pretty that is. It's nice.